The development of a spreadsheet is done, often users will mark a document or a workbook as final. And this is your way of indicating to other users that this is the final version of the document, and it's to discourage other users from editing the document. How you would do this is simply going to File and going to Protect Workbook and mark as final. And as it explains here, it lets readers know the workbook is final and make it read only. So let's click this option. The workbook will be marked as final, so I'll click OK. And it's just indicating that it's been marked as final, so I click OK again. What happens now is whenever the file is opened, read only appears at the top here in the title bar, and this message appears saying an author has marked this workbook as final to discourage editing. You can click for more details. The workbook has been marked as final to discourage editing. But the person can just go edit anyway. So it is purely indicating, it's not enforcing.